Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today handed over a government job appointment order to the husband of late Th. Ongbi Ravina, who died in the infamous July 23rd BT Road firing incident 1 decade ago. Biren handed over the appointment order to Th. Chinglen Sana at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Ahead of 20th Kargil Divas, 15 Assam Rifles Yangon Pokpi organized a weapon exhibition program along with a discussion on military career at Emmanuel English School, Yangon Pokpi. A program for the enrollment of new members of Bishnupur BJP Mandal was held at Yangoi Ningthau Community Hall, Bishnupur today. The enrollment will continue till August 11 next. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur has called for a 24-hour total shutdown along the National Highways 37 and 102 connecting Manipur from this midnight till tomorrow midnight. The forum's demands include revocation of the impugned order issued by the government of Manipur with regard to transfer and posting of a non-tribal as Director in Tribal Affairs and Health Department in the state. Under the sponsorship of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Integrated Development Organization organized a one-day awareness program on the theme Educational Necessity Among the Minority Community at IDO Office, Lilong, Ifam. Issues relating to minorities and benefits of various government-sponsored schemes were discussed. The foundation stone laying ceremony for Karbi Bhavan and Dimasa Bhavan at Dwarka in New Delhi has been postponed due to the sudden demise of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit. As the polling date for Panchayat election is drawing closer, political parties are intensifying their campaign in all the 8 districts of Tripura and organizing meeting, procession and utilizing all other forms of campaign to woo the voters.